Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about the breaking of the threshold in the daily loop theory. A lot of times we have discussed about the daily loop theory, how we can see that if we have it or not with live examples, and we have seen also reaching thresholds that Meta doesn't let us spend more and it gives us the same amount of sales on the whole ad account, and not always cannibalization between campaigns. We have seen all of these kind of things with different videos. Today I'm coming to you with a video of breaking the threshold. In theory we have said that in order for you to break the threshold you need more angles, more counters and all of that, or an attack period like Black Friday. Right now we are on the Black Friday period and I have broken the threshold on an ad account, and we're going to my PC. I'm going to show you how it looks to break the threshold and what we have to do from now on in order for us to be able to maintain this kind of volume. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So we're on this ad account, and as you can see, we are on the period after Black Friday and everything. We can see 2,700 sales. This is another account that you might know from a threshold that I used to be hitting here, 1,300. And obviously in the attack period of Black Friday, I was able to break it. So it's not only theory, these are periods that you can actually break the thresholds. Let's see a little bit the history of this ad account just to understand what I'm talking about if you don't remember what was happening here. Let's go from example from this period. Let's go on August so that you can see the scaling that was done here. 393, and I will take it, maybe I will take it to 7 days like this just to be faster. 400, let me adjust it so that it can be easier for you to see. We don't need that because we will hide all of that. So let's see this. So we have 9,700, 3.91, 462. Let's go to weekly basis just to see what happened here. 1,000 sales, 5 this is 7 days intervals, okay? Just to be able to criticize what's happening. And over here, I'm starting to hit a threshold. You will see that whatever I'm going to do, how much I'm going to spend, I'm on 18K, 1,365. I will never be able to go above 1,400. You will see that I'm spending more, it gives me less. It's not that I'm not trying, I'm doing more creatives, I'm doing more campaigns, it just doesn't let me, it doesn't pass this point, okay? And then I will have to lower down and all of that, but you see here, I'm hitting a threshold, I just cannot pass it, okay? And then the results are becoming a little bit worse over here. You will see that I have reached the point of spending 21K over here with 1,100. It just wouldn't let me to pass that point, the 1,300 sales, okay, as you can see. Now, let's move to the next month, which I'm trying again, of course. After stabilizing that account, I will try to come here and I will try to do another push, as you can see here, this time 28K, 1,265. Let's continue seeing this, 1,200, 27K. Again, I'm gonna hit the threshold again and it wouldn't let me pass. The results are gonna get worse. And I'm gonna try to stabilize that account again because I would like to have 4 ROAS plus over here. And let's continue to the next week just so that you can take an idea. Here the results are dropping a lot. I'm trying to control it. Let's go to this month. This month I will start recovering again, scaling. Let's see this week, for example, again 977. I'm again above 4, so I will try to push again over here. 1129. Let's go here. 1200. You can see I cannot break the threshold over here. And now we're going to start noticing that as soon as we go to the Black Friday period, I'm gonna start passing the threshold, and I'm gonna be able to scale, because as I said, attack periods are very important for you so that you can be able to pass these thresholds. So we continue over here. You will see 1400 with very good results, 27. I want to remind you that I was hitting 28k spent with 1200 sales, for example, okay, and I couldn't pass that. So I'm going into that, 1500 now, 31k. I'm gonna continue showing you the progress. 1679, 34. I'm pushing over here. Of course, it's Black Friday week and all of that, and I'm pushing. The results are also good. We're going to continue. 2353, big breakthrough, and we go through this period, which is the whole Black Friday week. 2500, and if we continue to that, we're going to see that we're reaching 2600 with 5 rows, which is very good, breaking the limits of the ad account actually. 2700. From now on, I'm gonna start trying to scale it a bit, but I'm not gonna go back to the 1300 sales. I'm gonna try to beat to 2000 sales, for example, okay? And then I'm gonna continue again the process. When I see the next threshold, I will try to pass it by with an attack period, with other creatives. It doesn't matter, but this is how you break it. But now, if you go back to 1300, it's basically like you haven't done any progress. I have case studies inside my YouTube channel that I'm proving that I break the threshold after 2-3 months, because this is the ultimate goal. If it's possible on January to be able to be at the same level because you broke the threshold. Breaking the threshold gives the message to Meta that you can spend more with different results and stuff. If you monitor it, if you know the limits of the ad account, and then you break it, and then you try to maintain it, you try not to go back to the 1300 sales per 7 days, which was the maximum that you reached, and you try to be on 2000, for example, sales. This is the progress that you make, and the way that you can break the threshold on an ad account and don't have the daily loop theory effect with cannibalization between the campaigns and all of that. I hope that it makes sense as a visual example, and I hope that you understand now how it works. Obviously, I will try to maintain that by January. Maybe we will have another video over here on this account, maintaining and having a higher volume, and I will see you then. So that's all. I'm very happy that I can prove things to you, not only with theory, but also with actual ad accounts, explaining to you why this has happened, how you can overcome this problem and all of that. This is a visual example so that you can see that it is possible, and if I have done it, you can also do it. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course where all of these kind of concepts are inside, with more examples and more ad accounts, of course, and more sessions. You can see all the reviews on the people on the Trustpilot, how much they love the course, and it's still gonna be by the end of the year on promo. After that, the price is gonna change. People actually asked to keep the promo until the end of the year. Also, I have my chosen 5 sessions. There might be some new spots for the new year. I don't know yet, because apparently all of the people want to stay, but we will see. Send me a message and we will take it from there. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.